one person cannot be, responsible for my victory. I think it's an entire team effort that leads me to the podium, that makes me able to reach the podium for the country. And in the team, I would say, starting from my family, my mom, and then my coach Pal sir, then my sponsors who have been there with me through the thick and thin of my life, and Sports Authority of India, the top scheme. I think many people have played a huge role so that I am able to win the medals for the country. And I would say that yes, India is progressing, but we have a long way to cover. We have a long journey ahead of us, where we can potentially grab more medals and win more medals and do even better in the coming years. Yes, I understand that many nations, many countries are far ahead of us in terms of many other sports. Many they win even more than we do.
One minute.
Sir, ஒரு நிமிஷம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க சார், பண்ணுவாங்க.
Power cut, they're just connected to it.
சார் கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. பவர் கட் ஆயிடுச்சு, ஜெனரேட்டர்ல கனெக்ட் பண்ணி லைட் ஆன் பண்றாங்க. எல்லாரும் கத்திட்டு இருந்தா 2 minutes வெயிட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா பண்ணிடலாம்.
No, I think it's okay. थोड़ा साफ नहीं है.
Ma'am, leave it, ma'am. I get it. Sir, set பண்ணிட்டாங்க பவர் ஓகேவா? ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? எஸ் மேம்.
थोड़ा साफ नहीं
எஸ்
है. कोई नहीं, अभी मैंने पी लिया था. It's okay.
Yes.
Where I left? I forgot.
Country you're talking about.
Yes. Yeah. So we've all seen the medal tallies, and we definitely know there's a huge scope of improvement. There's one thing that's different that I've seen in India and other nations is that they start from a very young age. They take children from a very, very young age. And in our culture, our country, it's more like the interests of the kids. And then when they eventually want to start, when they want to start or take a career, they then initiate. Then the parents also support. Then the government comes in the picture once they're starting to do good. I think that kind of program needs to be more prominent in our country to be able to actually do even better and win more medals.
And how do you think about the women's safety, particularly in the sports arena? How is our status right now?
So we'll keep
We
it
have
going.
seen, no, we have seen such protests or things before. Hassan, women.
So when we talk about women, I would say that women are like 50% of almost 50% of the population of our country, and I think the basic right for any human being would be the right to freedom, the right to liberty. I think we should all do what we all can do to actually help and make the society even better for women. We all are aware of certain problems or certain situations that are actually very prominent in our society, and we need to do something to eliminate all of that. And I think it cannot be done by just one event or just if one person says something that we'll do something against it. I think it's a duty of every person to do something in accordance to actually see the difference. We all need to step up and we all need to do what we all can do. So,
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir,
Many
sir,
things
one second,
there are-
sir. One second, sir. Sir, this event and the press meet is for Velaman Excellence and Scholarship, sir. Let's keep the question towards. Please avoid controversy questions, sir. Requesting, sir. Humble request, please, sir.
That's not controversy. He's supposed to speak. He's supposed to speak about it. Many the says behind the Vinesh Bhogat disqualified. What do you think about it?
sorry.
Many says there are political reasons in the Vinesh Bhogat disqualification.
Sir,
What do you think
avoid
about
this,
that?
sir.
Why don't you not call Vinesh Bhogat?
Yes, this time if you want to but there is another set of they have 21 athletes participation. The shooting is always to be expected more medals. How do you see the transition from this year?
I think when it comes to shooting as a sport in India, we have a huge potential and we have so much of talent in our country. For shooting especially, I can talk. So, I mean, if we put in more resources and more efforts into shooting, I think even better can be, the results can be improved. And we finished 3 medals and 3 bronzes. So I think we can do it even better in the future. But the efforts and the kind of resources that we put behind shooting and like the junior programs or how we are doing, how we take athletes from a very young age, I think all that needs to be started and all that needs to be very persistent. So it cannot be like one Olympics we are getting 3 medals, last Olympics the performance was not up to the mark. This Olympics people performed really well. I think we are on the way of progression. But we still can do many things to improve it even further. We can take it even further.
What's your opinion on Vinesh Bhogat issue, ma'am? Simple.
So I would say that she's like an elder sister to me. I've always known her since I was a child, and all I can say is that I've always known of her as a fighter. She has this fighter spirit, and I am sure that she's capable of dealing with stress or dealing with anything that comes her way in a very good manner. And she has carried herself really well. All these days I have watched her bouts also. And I would say that she has a really good fighting spirit and she will keep going on.
Many said there are political reasons behind the disqualified.
So I don't know about that, so I'm sorry.
Sir, last question, sir. Last question, sir. Last question, sir. Last question, secondly. Last question, sir.
So I will be taking a break because it's been 8.5 years that I was not able to take a break. So now I have decided to give my my shoulder a little rest. So I'll be taking 3 months break, and after that I'll be starting again. But competing I'll start after 4-5 months.
Sir, last
Thank you.
question, sir. Last question.
Just one last question, please. We have
How,
to.
like you started your career at the age of very young age, so grassroots is very important. So how do you feel like you thought this Mission of Olympics at 2022 you have launched it. So what do you think, how grassroots development is important? We can see more schools doesn't have a proper ground, proper facilities for it. So how do you look at this mission?
So I can discuss with you, I can tell you all that my journey started from my school, Universal School, and when I see initiatives like such, like Bellarmine School has come up with this 2032 program, and I've known so many chess prodigies from the school. So I would say it's a very good step, and in order to motivate our kids, in order to excel in sports, I think it needs to be started from a very young age. And how the schools are taking it now, I think we do have long way to go, but I think somewhere we have to start, and this start I'm sure will give us many athletes, many promising athletes, I'm sure, and let's all support our athletes, let's all cheer for them, and definitely grassroots things are very important. When a child is like 10-12 years old, the grasping power of the child is very high, and you can mold the child in any way. So that's how I believe that once we put resources and once we have the faith in youngsters, they can actually do really good.
So this question to you,
Thank you.
what was